Hi everyone. I am pleased to present to you today a demonstration on BIM 4D sequencing and microscheduling, using a sample building as an example. This building has been modeled solely for the purpose of visualization. Please note that I am a mechanical engineer, not an architect or a structural engineer, so that there may be technical inaccuracies in the model. I kindly request that you overlook any such errors. The focus of this presentation is on the BIM 4D sequencing and microscheduling. For 4D sequencing is a process that integrates project planning, scheduling, and a 3D BIM model to produce a sequencing simulation. The crucial aspect of this process is the assignment of a unique task ID number to each individual element, which facilitates a smooth simulation. As demonstrated, I have assigned task IDs to all the elements in our model. In the forthcoming sessions, you will be guided on how to assign these task IDs. Just for the purpose of visualization, I have also assigned task ID numbers to all the trees in our model. The format that I am using for the task ID number is as follows: project name, type of element, level, ID number. This format allows us to classify and organize the schedule with ease. Please apply this step for the entire project. For scheduling, you may use either Microsoft Project or Excel. However, if you choose to use Excel, please note that you may need to convert the file to a CSV format in order to attach it in Navisworks. The scheduling demonstrated here is merely a sample. The process will be carried out level by level, with task IDs assigned to the respective elements. You should get this schedule from your project planner or project manager. For-D scheduling is not merely a simulation or video. It is a tool that allows us to check the timeline or progress of a project in advance. From my perspective view, the advantage of BIM is that we can construct the building virtually on the BIM platform first. This allows us to carry out necessary coordination and collaboration, and resolve any clashes or issues before actual construction begins on site. This approach can lead to significant savings in time and cost, and ensures that the project can be completed by the due date.